Here we're going to do constructions of perpendicular bisectors to find their point of concurrency, which is called the circumcenter. I've already done one on this obtuse triangle here. You can see I did one perpendicular bisector of this upper left side with blue arcs and a red line. Then I did the right side one with green and a red line, and then I did the bottom with purple and the red line here. And you can see that they all intersect. When it's obtuse, they all intersect outside of the triangle here for the perpendicular bisectors, where they meet at the circumcenter there. I'm going to do constructions of the perpendicular bisectors on the right triangle and then on the acute triangle in this video. So here, I'm just getting my compass ready. Perpendicular bisectors, remember to do them just like finding the midpoint. It's the same way. Put the compass on one end of the segment, open it to more than halfway, make an arc, like half circle, then do the same from the other endpoint, and then where they connect is the perpendicular bisector. So here I've got my compass, I'm opening it to more than halfway, and then I'm going to make like a half circle arc. So right now I'm doing the bottom section of the triangle. So I'm flipping it around and taking it to the other end of that segment and making, notice I did not change the size of the compass. You want to keep that exactly, I just changed it now, but when I was making it, they were the same size. That's very important. And then you'll connect the, I missed a little bit. I'll fix that. Let's move that over just a touch. I think that's good. So there's the perpendicular bisector of one side. Going through at the midpoint of the side and perpendicular to it. And now I'm going to do from another side of this triangle. So I'm going to do the left side now, and I'm going to use a different color for the arc here. Oh, and let me check, make sure that it's more than halfway. I'm going to open that a little bit wider, just to be totally certain that it's more than half. And then flip that to the other side. Bring it to the other side of that segment. Do another arc around there, and then where they cross, connect that with a straight edge. There we go. We can see the two lines crossing already. The third one should go through that same spot. If it doesn't, then something is wrong with what we did. So I'm putting this at the edge of that upper right side piece, and I'm going to extend it again. It's got to be more than half the distance of that side, and making the arc for that one. And make sure it's large enough where you'll hit it from the other side. Flipping this around and bring it to the other end of that side. And then drawing that arc and then connecting the two dots where they intersected. And you can see where they're coming together. All three dots are meeting right here. And that's the circumcenter for a right triangle. You can see that it is on the hypotenuse of the right triangle. This was a right triangle. I labeled it up there, but I didn't draw the right angle box when I made it, but it was a right triangle. So our perpendicular bisectors meet right here in the middle of the hypotenuse for a right triangle.